Scores of red-shirt protesters marched in tribute to 4 activists who were killed in brutal clashes with Thai security forces. Protesters carried 4 coffins containing the bodies of the deceased, as well as several mock coffins to reflect their sorrow and political frustration. The somber procession followed Thai funeral rites. Family members of the deceased traditionally visit a temple for 7 nights before cremating the body. However, instead of a temple, the protesters held the ceremony at one of their 2 main rallying points in central Bangkok. The red shirts are mostly rural working-class supporters of ex-Premier Thaksin Shinawatra, who was ousted in a coup in 2006. They want the Thai PM Abhisit Vejjajiva to dissolve the parliament and leave Thailand, a country which has seen 18 coups since 1932. Thai stocks had remained largely resilient to protests until the violence began. The markets took a 4% hit as tourism stocks plunged. Well-known tourist areas turned into battlefields over this last week. Clashes only ended after security forces pulled back late into the night. Unum Muneer, Dawn News.